Nation, nation, nation. I am back with another one. Get some views of this bad boy off the stand. I need to wash this bad boy before I put it back up on the stand. And it is sprinkling, but I don't really care. It's dirty anyway, but it got to get dirty before I put it back in for sure. So that rain gonna help me. Let's cook. Y'all come with me? And we back at it, y'all. TNT Nation. Gotta put some degreaser on that bad boy. Let's work. Especially down in here. You know? Get on my back so you can see up in there. Get up in there, you know? It's leaking under there. So I can see exactly where it's leaking from. You know?
Yeah, phone on the camera.
I got a little bit. It's fine. Just the grease, everything. This thing is nasty, bro. You know? Pull these bags off real quick. I'll get back to y'all. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna get it all sturdy. Get it all clean, nation. Everything gonna get degreased. Oh, hey, Tiny, pass me a plastic bag. I need to cover the air cleaner. Yeah, just give me a little plastic bag for that. I think I might have one right there on the edge of my toolbox. All right, y'all. I got this running on time left. I'm gonna pull off the seat too. So I need to clean this side dirty. Let me see real quick, y'all. Pop that off. Yeah, I need to get all that little stuff. Need to get it, wipe that off, get all that stuff clean. Both sides. All right, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Let's cook. Nation, nation. Thing's dirty, man. Thing is dirty. Shit's nasty, bro. Oh yeah. Oh, hey, have you ever seen me use this? It's that foam cannon. No. All right. Let's see how it works. I forgot how to do it though. No. Is it A or B? Is it? Hold on. Which one give you the most foam again?
Oh, that looks foamier. That looks foamier.
I think it's D or E. There you go. I think it's D.
Oh,
See it? Soap her down, cause that girl is nasty. Get her right. Get her tight. Yeah, hey, this is dope, huh? I bought this from Amazon too a while back. I forgot. This is SwiftJet. SwiftJet. If y'all watching, send us some more stuff and we'll do a review on it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's work together. All right. That's how you cook. And look how much, man, I could probably wash a couple more bites with that. I put a little bit too much soap in here this time. Let me go ahead, let me set it up some more then. Yeah, let it sit. Yeah, because I think I put too much. You got me, Tiny? You cooking up? You a camera woman today? You showed up today, didn't you? Huh, Tiny? You don't want to talk, huh? You trying to give them the views? Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, she was dirty.
So you don't get dirty every time you touch it, you know?
Yeah. Then I can see where it's really leaking from too. Cause look at all that, that's black.
And beauty. Let's see. So he got done so far. Had to get inside those bags. They were pretty dirty in there.
Yeah.
Now what you gotta do?
Get the blower on that bad boy.
Blower out.
Knock most of that stuff off that thing.
Alright. Alright, y'all, I'll get back to y'all in a minute. You guys hear that thunder and lightning? Gotta hurry. It's coming. It is coming. We gotta get up out of here. But it's coming together. She's looking cleaner. Especially the chrome shining. Yeah. Yeah. So Tall's just rushing real quick so we can hurry up and get up out of here.
Almost done drying everything off. That's it. It's starting to sprinkle. It's starting to sprinkle just in time, nation. Just in time. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. She about to hit the lift. Maybe I'll come back, maybe I don't. We'll catch y'all on the next one.